To activate Revolut eSIM, start by ensuring your device is compatible with eSIM technology. Most modern smartphones support eSIM, but it is essential to check your device specifications before proceeding. Open the Revolut app on your device and navigate to the Accounts section. Tap on the mobile option and select Get Started with eSIM. You will be prompted to enter your phone number and a verification code sent to you via SMS. Once verified, you will be asked to add a new eSIM plan. Choose from the available options and select the plan that suits your needs. Review the plan details, including data limits, coverage, and pricing, before confirming your selection. After selecting your plan, you will receive a QR code or an eSIM profile download link. If you receive a QR code, open your device settings and navigate to the eSIM section. Scan the QR code using your device camera to download and install the eSIM profile. If you receive an eSIM profile download link, tap on the link to download and install the profile. Your device will automatically detect and configure the eSIM profile. Wait for a few minutes for the eSIM to activate. You will receive a notification on your device once the eSIM is activated and ready to use. Restart your device to ensure the eSIM is working correctly. To verify eSIM activation, open your device settings and navigate to the eSIM section. You should see the Revolut eSIM profile listed and active. Make a test call or send a test message to ensure the eSIM is working as expected. By following these steps, you can easily activate Revolut eSIM and enjoy seamless mobile connectivity. Remember to manage your eSIM plan and monitor your data usage through the Revolut app to avoid any unexpected charges.